guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alecia, and today we are filming another episode of Alecia's Magic Kitchen. Today it's more on the Halloween side rather than the Harry Potter side, and I wanted to make, drum roll please, pizza skulls! I'm so excited to make this treat today for lunch. I saw it going around YouTube and I thought, why not go ahead and give it a try and film it as well? I watched Jade the Libra's pizza skull video and I just was like, those look so good. Everyone go watch Jade the Libra because she has all the Halloween and spooky vibes. She does spooky kitchen and I'm obsessed. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you do enjoy it. Anyway, without further ado, if you guys want to hang out and make some pizza skulls with me or also make some pizza skulls while I make some pizza skulls, then let's go ahead and get cooking. Alright, so to start off with our pizza skulls, all we need to do is preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Now I have to, okay, so I got this pan from Target, as maybe you guys know. Actually no, because I don't think I hauled it. But anyway, got this from Target for like 10 bucks, and it turns out that you have to you can't put spray on it, which is kind of dumb. I mean, let's be real, everyone wants to just spray the pan and keep going on with their lives. But no, you have to butter it and then put some flour on it. So that's what we're gonna freaking do. Just butter them skulls. So I'm just gonna take some flour. Oh great, it's getting all up in my nails. Fun. Oh, did you guys see my nails? Do you mean to move my hand? Already got it. Okay. But okay, so now we've got our skulls buttered and floured, so those should be good. Oven's preheated. Now I'm gonna read the directions and see what we do next. Directions, recipe. So now we have to unroll the pizza dough and stretch or roll into a 21 by 8. We're not gonna measure, that's ridiculous. Rectangle with the long edge closest to you. Okay, basically we're gonna make it into a pizza and then cut 3 strips. We'll figure it out. Okay, so I went ahead and just got the classic crust, pizza crust, like Pillsbury, because you can make your own crust, but no one's gonna do that. And this is how I open it. Not safe for work or whatever you say. Don't try this at home.
Don't ever try this. I'm pretty sure it shows a spoon on the label.
Oh. Well, I always do this.
Oh, I always have to go grab the first aid kit.
Oh my gosh. For a second I got scared and I was like, was I supposed to make this pizza dough first? Because that's gonna take forever. But no, you're supposed to have it unmade. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this, and then we're gonna whack-a-mole it. You wanna get a good shot of that? A good shot of the whack-a-mole? Are we good? Okay.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, it never happens on the first try. Who is she? Oh crap, I don't have anywhere to put it. Hold on. I think, you know what? Can you grab...
Welcome to not thinking things through with Alecia.
Okay, so luckily it's kind of already rolled out for us. Look at this. Who is she? So we're just gonna... Oh crap, I probably should have put flour underneath. It should be fine. So I'm gonna roll this out.
Getting things stuck on the cutting board.
Yeah. So now we're gonna take a pizza cutter. Do you think a pizza cutter or a knife?
I think you're probably safest with the pizza cutter.
You're probably right. So now we're gonna cut it, like it said, into 3 strips. These other 2 are probably gonna be bigger. It's
not measuring things with Alecia.
Who needs to measure? So now what you do, or what I'm assuming you do, okay, I feel like I should have rolled this out now. This one is so much bigger than the other ones.
Picking the wrong directions with Alecia.
Okay.
Need some action music.
I feel like Tina from Bob's Burgers right now. Dough rises, right? So even if it looks thin, it should be fine. I'm just trying to get enough room for all the goodies that we're gonna put in here, and enough room for it to close onto itself. So now we add a tablespoon of each of the cheeses, which we have 2. We have Parmesan and mozzarella. Now Cameron, what did we decide? Did we want to do all pepperoni, or did we want to do 3 cheese, 3 pepperoni?
Probably 3 cheese, 3 pepperoni. In case the pepperoni makes it greasy.
And plus, I prefer just cheese anyway. Did I say 1 tablespoon? You know what? I feel like this is kind of not science. You can just put whatever you want in it. So I'm just gonna put what I think I want in there. So that was Parmesan. And now we're gonna do it with the mozzarella. I think I prefer mozzarella cheese over Parmesan cheese. It's more delicious. I'm gonna put a little bit more mozzarella cheese in there because I really like the cheese. Now we put in a tablespoon of marinara sauce. And I'm not even gonna read more directions until after I do that or I'll forget.
I thought you were just gonna say, I'm just not gonna read any more directions from this point on.
No, that would go terribly, terribly wrong.
terribly wrong.
Really hard. Now we just have this jar of marinara sauce that we're gonna put a tablespoon. What you're supposed to do is put a tablespoon in and then put your meat in and then put another tablespoon. So technically there will be 2 tablespoons in each skull. We didn't get sausage. We thought about it, but then we just decided against it. I don't remember why, but
greasy.
We got pepperoni though, because Cameron loves the pepperoni. Have the arm strength of like a peanut. Okay.
Do peanuts have arms?
I don't know. So basically, if you're not, like for the cheese ones, we're just gonna do no pepperonis. That was a stupid thing to say because obviously, never mind. Back down.
For the cheese ones,
Back
we're
down.
not going to do pepperoni. Just in case that's not clear. Because pepperoni is not cheese. We do real facts here on Lecia-licious Magic Kitchen.
Now we're doing another tablespoon of marinara over the pepperoni. Okay, so you know how I was like, I like mine cheesy, so I put extra cheese in. Well, you're supposed to put more cheese in now. So I probably got ahead of myself, but it's fine. So we're just gonna sprinkle some more mozzarella on top. Technically, you're supposed to do a tablespoon of mozzarella on the bottom and a tablespoon of mozzarella on the top. But we're just gonna sprinkle some on. We're not gonna measure because that's not what we do here in the magical kitchen of Alecia. So now that we've put the mozzarella on top, we are going to put some Italian seasoning on, which I freaking love this stuff. It's so good. Even just smelling it.
The really aggressive open.
I know. Every time I open something, I have to focus so hard. I have to like focus on my strength. And I like a lot. So I'm going to just sprinkle that on. You can put as much as you want on. You can probably add different seasonings too if you wanted. Now we're just going to pinch them together. I feel like my pinch job is not doing. I don't know. Okay, well, now I'm just going to try to squeeze it in. Because I know it'll grow, right? It'll grow in the oven. It's not the best pinch job, but it's also probably not the worst. It might be. All right, now we're going to do this one.
That's like second place to worst. Worst being not doing it all. Second place being what you just did.
So I'm just trying to stretch it. That's what I should have done. I should have stretched it out more before I put stuff in. I think it's okay. I think it's okay.
When you try to convince yourself, it's fine.
Okay, so now I'm just going to do that with the rest of them, except for the ones. Actually, we'll do 2 cheese ones real quick. So I feel like I've gotten the hang of this. So now I'm going to go ahead and stretch them out some more. I'm actually going to just do that real quick. Ooh, let me try a...
Don't throw it.
I'm going to throw it.
Don't throw it.
Okay, ready?
Don't throw it. It's going to go straight to the floor or the ceiling. Don't throw it.
Pizza, pizza. Okay, ready. All right, hold on.
Don't throw it. Okay.
Oh, that did not work. Okay, never mind.
If that would have splattered right on your face, that would have been incredible.
Now we are going to throw this puppy in the oven. For 20 minutes. So now,
interpretive dance time.
Random dancing. So I'll be back to check in with you guys in 20 minutes to see how they're looking. Okay, so the timer just went off. It's been 20 minutes. Let's see what they look like. Oh boy.
What?
Oh boy.
Those just look like...
Hold on. I mean, that's the bottom of them.
Hold on. Exploded.
Hold on. Okay.
Those rose quite a lot.
So here's the thing. Now we just have to see if the skull part worked. Because what the heck? Those are so big. We'll put them on our little tray we have here that I think we got at Spirit Halloween. Is that right? Maybe? Probably. We got it like a couple years ago. But we love our little tray for like cheese and pretty much just cheese. But now we're going to put skulls on it. Yay! And we can warm up some marinara sauce if we want. What do you think, Cameron? Should we have some marinara sauce with them? Do you want to heat it up?
I'm not the cook. I'm the crew.
Just kidding. That's probably good. Or more.
What measurement is that? 1 glug?
I mean, when are we ever going to use this again? We're just going to pour the whole thing in.
Great.
So we're going to use the rest of the marinara sauce as a dipping. So we'll go ahead and throw this baby in the microwave.
All right, Chef Alecia, how long does it go in the microwave? It probably doesn't say on there.
It doesn't. We'll do 40 seconds. It actually comes out really well. Ah! Okay.
Until you drop it on the floor. Yeah, they're probably hot.
Well, it doesn't look...
I mean, yeah, that looks fine. The back kind of exploded. I don't think they're gonna get much better than that.
Alright, so we're just gonna... See, it doesn't look bad like that. I feel like these guys look good from certain angles. So, like, these guys are all about the angles. Like, get the right angle. Alright, so here are the final products. What do we think of our skulls? We're gonna have to try them now. I feel like it's weird because the bottom is so kind of burnt. Not burnt, but just like... Crispy. But then the other part, it's done, but it's like not as crispy. And then it feels like there's not a lot on the inside. Oh yeah, baby.
They just kind of explode.
Oh, that's a pepperoni one. You can have that. Now I have to just cut into all of them and see where the cheese ones are.
Oh wow, those do kind of just explode everywhere.
Hopefully it tastes really good. And we have marinara sauce. Okay, super simple to make though. I will say that. I would have put more cheese in for sure. But no, these are really good. Like, I would do these again. But maybe do them better.
There's got to be a secret to getting the back to not be like one giant mess. They're good though.
So, I mean, super Halloween and cute.
It's just like a homemade Hot Pocket.
Yeah, I would definitely make these for a party. And I can't wait to make lots of more skull-ified stuff. Because I think I'm going to make skull cakes. But like the Halloween cake mix. You guys know what I'm talking about. I think it's like funfetti, but with like black and orange possibly. But I'm going to do probably like make little skull cakes. I think that would be cute. Of that. And then like frost them and then like make them skulls. Like put stuff on the skull to make it like really cute. So look forward to that. But I really enjoyed these pizza skulls. 9 out of 10. Really, really good. Yeah, really good.
Bit basic, but
I think
easy.
Next time I would have like queso to dip them in. Honestly, maybe even put some queso in there. Like
you could totally do like different things like taco meat or
Yeah.
whatever. Like you could do these.
No,
a
it's
lot
kind
of
of cool
different
because
ways.
you could make anything you want. They don't have to be pizza. They could be literally, like you said, like
Cheese
a taco
or,
thing.
yeah.
I mean, basically how you can make anything into a pizza, you can make anything into these like skull things. Like you just need dough and then stuff to put inside. So
cook it for 20-ish minutes. You're done.
Because the girl I watched, Jade the Libra, she also made like a spinach artichoke, and that looked so good. And I really
like inside of these.
Yeah, like she did like a spinach artichoke type thing, and it looked so good. But I thought that I would have trouble doing that, so I was like, I've never worked with artichokes, so I'm not gonna start now. But no, definitely check out Jade the Libra because she's awesome, and I definitely got my inspiration from her. She has all the spooks vibes, and I love her. All right, you guys, well, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you did enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below what other spooky dish you would like me to make, because I'm going to make so much more magical, spooky things in this kitchen. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below and what you would put in your pizza skulls. What would be your ultimate awesome tasting pizza skull? Let me know. All right, I will see you guys in my next one.